To get started with Apple Pay on your iPhone, first ensure your device is compatible, which includes iPhone 6 and later models. Next, you need to add a credit or debit card to the Wallet app, which can be found on your home screen. Open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner, and follow the prompts to add your card information. You may be asked to verify your card with your bank, which can be done via text message, email, or phone call. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay to make payments in stores, online, and in apps. To make a payment in a store, simply hold your iPhone near the contactless reader, with your finger on the Touch ID or Face ID sensor. You will see a confirmation on the screen when the payment is successful. For online payments, look for the Apple Pay button at checkout and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. To use Apple Pay in apps, tap the Apple Pay button at checkout, review the payment information, and confirm the payment with Touch ID or Face ID. You can also use Apple Pay to send and receive money with friends and family using the Messages app. To do this, open a conversation in the Messages app, tap the App Store icon, and select the Apple Pay button. Best practices for using Apple Pay include keeping your iPhone and cards up to date, monitoring your account activity regularly, and reporting any suspicious transactions to your bank immediately. You should also be aware of the transaction limits and fees associated with your card, as these may vary depending on your bank and card type. In addition to the convenience and security of Apple Pay, using the service can also provide rewards and benefits, such as cashback and loyalty points, depending on your card and bank. By following these tips and best practices, you can get the most out of Apple Pay on your iPhone and enjoy a fast, secure, and convenient payment experience.